உங்களோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இம்ப்ரெஷன் என்ன?
ரொம்ப பெருசாக இருந்துச்சு. இப்போ தான் 1% ஆஃப் கேம்பஸ் இப்போ தான் பார்த்துருந்தோம். ஸோ இனிமேல் தான் ஃபுல்லாக சுற்றி பார்க்கணும். ஆக்சுவலாக நாங்கள் இன்ஜினியரிங் கிளாஸ்க்காக தேடிட்டு தான் இருக்கோம்.
ஓகே. ஸோ நீங்கள் எந்த டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்?
ஜியோ இன்ஃபர்மேட்டிக்ஸ்.
ஜியோ இன்ஃபர்மேட்டிக்ஸ். ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட். தேங்க்யூ. ஸோ இப்போ அடுத்து ஒரு 10 days பக்கம் இண்டக்ஷன் ப்ரோக்ராம் நடக்கும். ஸோ நீங்கள் என்ன எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணுறீங்க அந்த இண்டக்ஷன் ப்ரோக்ராம்?
இப்போதைக்கு நிறைய ஈவெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்குது. அந்த ஈவெண்ட்ஸ் மூலமாக நான் வந்து நிறையா என்னோட ஸ்கில்ஸ் எல்லாம் டெவலப் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
ஸ்கூல் லைஃப் வந்து ஸ்டாப் பண்ணுறது காலேஜ் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கிடைப்பாங்க. அதையும் தாண்டி ஸ்கில்ஸ்னால் தாண்டி புது ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கிடைக்கும். லைஃப் கிடைச்சிருக்கு. ஒன் ஆஃப் யூஸ் வீட்லேயே என்ன இருக்குது. ஸோ இதான் முன்னாடி வந்திருக்கோம்.
ஸோ என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ இப்போ உங்கள் பொண்ணு வந்து ஹாஸ்டல் சேர போகிறாங்கன்னு சொன்னீங்க. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு எப்படி இருக்குது 4 years வந்து அவங்க இவ்வளோ நாள் கூட இருந்துட்டு 4 years தனியாக இருக்குது?
அது ரொம்ப ஃபீல்.
எஜுகேஷன் மெயின் இல்லையா லைஃப்.
எஜுகேஷன் கோசம் தான் நாங்களும் பண்ணிட்டு எங்களோட இது வெளியே காமிச்சிக்காமல் வந்து காலேஜில் இருக்கிறோம்.
So as a CJ graduate, where do you see yourself in the next 4 years?
I would say that I would like to pursue the 4 years and want to make a decision after my 4 years of graduation, UG undergraduation. Right now, I just feel like I'm a student. I just need to gather as much knowledge as I can. So I would probably have an answer after 4 years.
That's very smart. And you?
I want to pursue higher education,
Okay.
but for now I just want to enjoy.
That's nice. So all the best. I hope you have a lot of fun in college. Thank you.
Thank you.
இது அதுக்கப்புறம் உங்களுக்கு வந்து போர்டு எக்ஸாம் கேன்சல் ஆயிடுச்சு தெரிஞ்சதுலேருந்து காலேஜ் சிஜியில் அட்மிஷன் கிடைக்கிற வரைக்கும் உங்க எல்லாருக்கும் எப்படி இருக்குது? How did you feel?
போர்டு எக்ஸாம் கேன்சல் ஆகும். அதாவது கட் ஆஃப் சொன்னாங்க. என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம் 11th வரைக்கும் பர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிட்டு எக்ஸாமே அப்புறம் எக்ஸாம் கேன்சல் ஆச்சு. இப்போ இவங்களுக்கு எந்த கவர்மெண்ட் ஸ்கூல் கிடைக்காது. ப்ரைவேட் தான் போகணும். எல்லாம் நீண்டு போகணும். அப்புறம் மார்க் வந்து ரொம்ப பேசுகிறேன்.
So very happy that you got it. Thank you so much. I hope you have a really great time at the So after almost 1.5 years of online classes, இப்போ first time வந்து ஒரு offline environmentக்கு வந்து உங்க daughter வந்திருக்காங்க.
ஆமாம்.
So what do you feel about that, sir?
இது கண்டினியூ ஆகணும் ஃபீல் பண்ணுறோமா.
Okay, sir.
ஏன்னா பசங்க எல்லாம் வந்து நல்லா இருக்கணும், நல்லா ஃப்யூச்சருக்கு பற்றி திங்க் பண்ணணும்னா இந்த பேண்டமிக் பீரியட் இதோட முடிஞ்சிடணும்னு கடவுள்கிட்டையும் வேண்டிக்கிறேன். எல்லாருக்காகவும் நானும் வேண்டிக்கிறேன்.
Yes. Thank you, sir. ஷுவராக அது நடக்கும்.
சீக்கிரம் நடக்கணுமா. இதோட முடிஞ்சிடணும். டிசம்பர்லேருந்து எல்லாருக்கும் ரெகுலர் காலேஜ் வரணும். ஃபஸ்ட் இயருக்கு அதனால ஃபீல் பண்ணுறோம்.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations,
Thank you.
sir. So it must be a huge step for your son, going from high school to, college.
Bigger step for me.
So yeah, that's what. So I wanted to know, you're part of that big step that he's taking right now. So what do you feel like?
It's a lot of uncertainty. Majorly, it's fun because he's an NRI student. He grew up in Dubai.
Okay.
So from there to Chennai, it's a big step.
Okay.
Because it's completely different. Everything is different.
Yeah.
It'll take time to adjust
Yes.
for him as well as for me.
Yes. And will he be staying in the hostel?
No, he's got his grandparents here.
Oh,
So
okay.
he'll be a day scholar.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you
ma'am.
very much.
Hello, sir. So how do you feel now that your child is going to study in a college like CEG?
I'm extremely very proud and happy.
Okay.
Now I'm feeling very good after so many years of my dream. Now my son is getting to this college, so now I'm happy.
Okay. Which department is your son in, sir?
He's in mechanical.
Okay, nice, sir. Congratulations to you also, sir. Thank you, sir. I hope your son has a very good time.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So how did you feel when you found out that you got into our college phase here in UP? What was that moment in time? I was happy about it. That is very good. Yes, sir. I'm always and I which department are you in? Congratulations. Thank you. So, sir and ma'am, in what way do you think the students are going to benefit from this 10-day long induction program and all the various activities that are going to happen in the program?
Yeah, and this is something very unique for the students to get into, because see, they are coming from different walks of life. And they are coming away from home for the first time. So they should mentally be prepared first of all.
Yes.
Okay, and they should get to know each other. That is very, very important. So unless until there is a conducive environment for them, and unless until there is a acceptance of the environment,
Yes.
the learning and studying will not happen. So that is the reason why we want them to be lightly loaded in the first few weeks.
Yes.
So that is the reason why this induction program is introduced, not only in our place, across India.
Yes.
So all the colleges are expected to conduct this induction program. So with that in mind only, our Vice Chancellor and Dean Madam has
Yes.
meticulously arranged this program, and that is how we have started this.
Okay, sir.
So I agree what the sir said. He covered everything.
Yes.
What we believe, as psychology believe, is going to the college not only for the studies.
Yes.
So we have to learn, we have to communicate with us. Because when we were young, we have so many people in and around the house. We can play outside, but
Yes.
I'm so sorry, feeling very bad for nowadays students. They are stuck into the computer and inside the room. No one is there to take care.
Yes.
This is the place to, I think, love, play, and cherish their lives.
Yes.
So, but we strongly believe when you are going to the college, you have to go with a fresh feeling, the
Yes.
mindset, the mental. So this induction program will help them to move ease
Yes.
and get into each other. So that's what we want. We want you to be happy. We want them to be happy
Yes.
before going to studies. So this will help them to be happy and enter into the college with a nice environment and the happiness. That's what we need.
So I'm pretty sure that the students are going to have a lot of fun during these days. And so sir, so they're just entering college. What are the expectations from those freshers, sir?
Now, from their perspective or from?
From you, what are your expectations from the
I
students?
think the students should come with open mind, because
Yes.
any engineering student should have that open mind. Okay, and so they should be open for interaction with the teachers.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so they should not keep their doubts within themselves.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay,
Yes.
so they should come out and feel free to interact with any teacher. Okay, not only teachers, like with your neighbor in the hostel,
Yes.
or the fellow student in the class, okay, or anybody in the campus, because it is a family, right?
Yes,
So they should feel free to talk to each other, and they should, gain as many friends as much as possible before they leave the campus.
Yes.
Maybe when they finish and go, everybody should remember, oh, so and so studied in this institution.
Yes.
So that is the impression that they should create.
Okay.
So that is the openness they should have.
Yes.
And a healthy life and a healthy habit, that is also very, very important
Yes, sir.
to become a successful engineer.
Yes.
So that is purely depends on their behavioral aspect.
Yes, sir.
So if they are if they have very good habit, and if they are strictly following to the instruction given by the college and by their parents,
Yes.
I think they will fall well in line with the expectation, and they can be a very successful engineer at their.
Yes, thank you, sir.
So sir have covered everything as you said.
Yes.
But what we want is here is open for so many things. It's
Yes.
everything available in the internet and open
Yes.
to everyone, because they are in the closed website and they are coming from the down south also. The language is an issue and
Yes.
everything is an
Yes.
issue here. So we want them to open up. So that's why we have a counselor room. It's very separate, and what we are going to talk is more totally confidential. As I said, very confidential.
Yes.
So whenever you have a small thing, when started itself, you can just talk to somebody else, not only to the counselor.
Yes.
Someone else will get that problem will go on.
Yes.
Okay, that's why the institution, the dean and the DC, everybody, I think, have set up a nice counseling room there.
Yes.
So we are available online and offline also.
Okay.
So we'll be there. We go visit. We have a usual visit to the hostel also. We have a nice time. We'll have dinner with them.
Okay.
Though, as I said, I am not the university counselor. I am the student counselor. That is the most important. And always with the students. So we are going to the bridge between the university, bridge between the management, bridge between the dean and the group.
Yes.
So we are taking care of children. As I said, the home away home. That is
Yes.
thing.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
want to give that comfortability. They can talk in the whatever language they are very comfortable with it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, the parents are more worried because they they are born and brought up in a small website. No,
Yes.
they will be more worried. Spoon feed
yes.
also. So we
Correct.
want them to be happy, mentally happy, and leave the children here with a full set of
Yes.
mind. So they can also contact us.
Yes.
So our number will be available on the notice board in the hostel and everywhere. They can contact. So if anything happens, any doubt, any problem, we are there to support them.
Yes.
So that it's confidential also. Yeah. So we want them to be happy.
Yes, ma'am.
So studying, getting mark is equally important for the mental health as well.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
is more important.
Yes.
So just start with only with the degree and everything we can't get it.
Yes.
So we have to learn how to face the society. You know
Yes.
what's going on after the pandemic. Everything has been
Yes,
changed.
ma'am.
Everyone is so stressful.
Yes.
So we are making them more confident to face any situation, wherever they go,
Yes.
with the marks and the confident mind. So that's what we are going to provide to them. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. So I'm pretty sure that the students who watch this will definitely benefit. Thank you, sir and ma'am, for spending your time and doing this with us. Thank you. Thank you.
pleasure. Thank
Thank
you.
you.